Hello children, welcome back to your 7th standard mathematics class. We are doing the lesson Banks and Simple Interest. We have learned the formula for calculating the simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. Today we continue with practice set number 41. Now let's do question number 4 of practice set 41. The question is, Leta Ben borrowed some money from a bank at a rate of 10% per annum interest for 2.5 years to start a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees as total interest, how much money had she borrowed? We have to find out how much money she had borrowed. That means we have to find the principal. So first let us write what is given. So we have rate of interest is 10% per annum. The time is 2.5 years. That is equal to 5 upon 2. Converting the mixed number into a fraction. The total interest is rupees 10,250. We have to find out the principal. We know the formula, simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. Now let's substitute the values. So substituting the values, we get 10,250 is equal to P multiplied by 10 multiplied by 5 upon 2 into 100. Cross multiplying, we get 10,250 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2 is equal to P multiplied by 10 multiplied by 5. So we get P is equal to 10,250 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2 divided by 10 multiplied by 5. We can cancel the 0 and divide by 5. So we get P is equal to 205 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2. After multiplication, we get P is equal to 41,000. That is, Leta Ben borrowed 41,000 rupees from the bank. So your final answer will be Leta Ben had borrowed rupees 41,000 from the bank. The fifth question is a table given here. The question is, fill in the blanks in the table. The first question here, the principal is given, the rate of interest is given, the time is given. You have to calculate the interest and the amount. This is a very simple question, so I think you can solve this question. We will solve question number 2, 4 and 5. The second question is, the rate of interest is given 6%, time is given 4 years, the interest is 1,200 rupees. We have to find the principal and the amount. We'll be using the same formula for simple interest. We know simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Let's substitute the values. The interest is 1,200 rupees. So we get 1,200 is equal to, we have to find the principal. So P multiplied by, the rate is 6%. So 6 multiplied by, the time is 4 years divided by 100. Cross multiplying, we get 1,200 multiplied by 100 is equal to P multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. So we get P is equal to 1,200 multiplied by 100 divided by 6 multiplied by 4. On calculation, we will get P is equal to rupees 5,000. Now we have to find the amount. We know amount is equal to principal plus interest. The principal is 5,000 rupees and the interest is 1,200 rupees. So we have 5,000 plus 1,200. So the amount is rupees 6,200. So the principal is rupees 5,000 and the amount is rupees 6,200. Now let's see the fourth sub question. The rate of interest is 5%. The interest received is 6,000 rupees. The amount is 18,000 rupees. We have to find the principal and the time. Here we know the amount and the interest. So it's easy to find the principal first. We know amount is equal to principal plus interest. Let us substitute the values. 18,000 is equal to principal plus interest. The interest is 6,000 rupees. Therefore we get P is equal to 18,000 minus 6,000. 18,000 minus 6,000. Therefore the principal P is equal to 12,000 rupees. Now let us find out the time. We know simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Let's substitute the values. Substituting the values, the simple interest is 6,000. So 6,000 is equal to 12,000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by t divided by 100. We have to find the value of t. So cross multiplying, we get 6,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 12,000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by t. From that we get t is equal to 6,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 12,000 multiplied by 5. We can cancel all the zeros and do the calculation. We can cancel the zeros here. All the 3 zeros can be cancelled. 6 one time and 6 two times is 12. And then 5 and 100. We know 5 20 times is 100. Then you can cancel the 2 and the 20. So we get the time is equal to 10 years. So we get t is equal to 10. That is, the time is 10 years. We got the principal as 12,000 rupees and the time as 10 years. Now let's see the fifth question. The rate of interest is given as 2.5% per annum. So 2.5 is converted as 5 upon 2, converting the mixed number into a fraction. The time is given 5 years. The interest is 2,400 rupees. We have to find the principal and the amount. We know simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time upon 100. Let's substitute the values. So we get 2,400 is equal to P multiplied by the rate of interest is 5 upon 2. So 5 by 2 multiplied by the time is 5 years. So 5 multiplied by 100. Cross multiplying, we get 2,400 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to P multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So we get P is equal to 2,400 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100 divided by 5 into 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So you can cancel the 25 and the 100. 25 4 times is 100. So we get P is equal to 2,400 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. On multiplying, we get P is equal to 19,200 rupees. Therefore, principal is 19,200 rupees. Now that you know the principal and the interest, we can find the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. The principal is 19,200 plus the interest is 2,400. So we get amount is equal to rupees 21,600. So the principal is 19,200 rupees and the amount is 21,600 rupees. Please complete all the questions of practice set number 41. Thank you and have a nice day.